Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Monday, the 22nd of May. All right, Friday's trading session, no actual data was released, so not much to report on a relatively slow day. So let's just jump straight into our chart of the day this morning. The chart that I'm looking at is the Kiwi CAD on a daily timescale. If you have a look at this particular chart, I have already identified a nice resistance level. It's actually trading in a channel, to be honest. Let me just draw a couple of other lines on here for one moment. Give me 1 second. Let me just see how parallel this is. It's actually quite nice. Okay, so it's an actual nice channel falling down, which makes it like a pendant. So normally you have the flagpole here, and then it starts to channel here. And typically, they like to break in this direction. However, what I'm looking at, I'm not sure if it's ready to break yet or not. If it does break, it's not going to hurt us. But what I'm actually looking at is a reversal here to see if it does go down one more time in this direction. At the moment, of these two candles that I'm looking at here, the little one is this morning's candle, which is only around about an hour and a half into formation. If it remains as an inside candle and sets us up for a reversal in this direction, then I'm happy to take that. If it does not and breaks and you get a nice breaking candle, now this part is important. It's a candle that will have to be blue, and it doesn't have much wick on it. Okay, if it looks pretty much like the way that I've drawn it and it closes, say, higher than this previous high there, then that's a very, very good indicator to become a buyer there and straight up there. And then you're actually trading the pennant, which is what I've said. Typically the way they like to break is as such. So be on the lookout for both. If you've never traded that before, don't worry about it. Let's just look to see if we get the reversal that I originally wanted to see you. Only as I'm recording this that I've noticed the other pattern. But let's look for this one first. And at the conclusion of today's candle, which will be tomorrow morning, I'll have a look at it again. If anything develops, I'll talk to you about it then. But for now, it's the Kiwi CAD on a daily timescale, and we're looking to see if we can trade back down into that channel. All right, what is on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? Well, there's actually nothing scheduled for today's first session of the week. It's a slow start to the week. We do have Aussie unemployment numbers coming out later in the week, and there's a bit of data from Canada as well. But for the first session, Monday morning, nothing to be reported. So that pretty much wraps up for this morning. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day, and I'll speak to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.